Solo, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Sex?
Yeah, I heard that. By the way, which is easier for you, English or German?
German. English
Deutsch.
out, okay.
Deutsch.
English out.
Englisch ist auch okay.
Ja.
Kein Rauchen, kein Alkohol trinken.
Sogar mit vor 10 Jahren sozusagen angefangen, aber.
My name is Mehmet. Mehmet auch.
Mehmet aus, Mohammed.
Auch als Türkisch.
Ja.
Which you have some proportions in your face. You know, maybe
Yeah.
rules. The 1/3 rule, 1/3
Yeah.
rule, and 1/3 rule.
Yeah,
That's the first principle. The second principle is horizontal and vertical proportion as well. So when I look at this, your middle side looks like this. That looks
Okay.
medial, I think, Mohammed.
Okay. Güzel diyorum.
And I will complete the hairline, whatever I recommend for you and whatever I think for you.
Interesting.
Sometimes we do the frame
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
sharp
Yeah.
in the hair type like yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
And you recommend it?
No,
Not.
it's up to you.
Yeah.
Patients prefer to have
Yeah.
more sharp
Yeah.
corners.
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm asking
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Alles klar.
So, Mohammed. Sex.
Hopefully, I don't know how many grams it's going to be, but probably we need to start first with the extraction. So
Okay.
we need some higher number, like over 3,500, just for restoring front part. So our target will be do the extraction first, how many grams we're gonna take, then we will do the incisions, and then after there will be implantation. So each period will take 2 hours at least.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So now we go. So hard part will begin, and I'm ready. No fear. And yeah, we'll see
Okay,
what we get.
How was your night? Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it seems fine. You should be careful about your graft area,
Okay.
donor area, and also
Yeah.
transplanted area.
Yeah.
Especially transplanted area, you shouldn't hit to anywhere or shouldn't touch just for washing. You can touch gently
Only.
and vertical. You should be aware of direct sunlight in the summer especially, and also dust and rain for 2 weeks. And also you should sleep in a special position with neck pillow, and you should wash your hair with a special way. But it's not difficult anymore.
When I can wash my hair normally?
After 2 weeks, you can
After
wash your
2
hair normally, totally, like your routine. After 2 weeks, you should start both of them.
After 2 weeks.
We highly recommend to use at least 1 year, because they thickens your hair and also increases the blood flow at your scalp,
Okay.
and also stops your hair loss. Both medications are FDA approved, so we follow the evidence-based medicine. You can clean normally
Yes,
in your
sure.
donor area, but for here, you should just tap vertically and gently. Don't
Yeah.
touch that. Okay? Come on.
I am Mohammed, 31 years old, come from Germany. I am a doctor. I found a Smile Clinic online. I saw the videos, the Instagram page, and I contact immediately with a very good friend. I meet him, and everything was okay. I arranged all of the process very quickly, like in 1 week or 2 weeks. The operation, the team, I think it was very optimum for me. So everything was okay, and today is the second day after the operation, and I wash my hair, and we show like presentation for aftercare, what we have to do, how we can wash our hair, what treatment and what gel and shampoo and all of these things after the operation, how to do it. And I think I am very satisfied from the team for the clinic, and very thankful for all of the team here. They are very neat, the doctors, and Istanbul, very nice city. Yeah, and I'm grateful and thanks. My hair loss started like when I was 18, I think, and it's going gradually to lose more and more. But I like with 27, it was stable for me, I can say. Operation to do, or first I didn't take treatment, I didn't take any thing for my hair. I decided immediately to go for the operation, but only was the time. Yeah, I planned to do it before, but then come COVID, Corona, and that was difficult. But now the situation is as well. It's very nice. It's thing. I decided like I said, I decided like before 3-4 years, and and I see the videos, reviews, and you know, at the end, I think, because I saw also another options, yeah, that I can say, but I think that was the best option for me in Smile Clinic, and that was correct. I have a twin, and he has also hair loss, my father. Yeah, so at the beginning of the injection of the local anesthesia, that was a little bit painful, but after that, you know, it's only while you have to lie down for like 2 hours, but it's okay, fine, it's okay for the operation itself. It deserves this. Yeah, it's difficult at first night, because you have to be like 45 degrees, and you have to you are not allowed to lie on the side. But yeah, It's okay now. I think today is the last day, and after that I can sleep normally. Smile Clinic, I recommend it very well. Very nice team. Everything is very good, organized, and very nice people. And yeah, I think they have very good experience with this type of operations. They did a lot and they know what they do. Follow the true transformation.